If you don't want to use the Xfinity mobile app, you can still activate your Xfinity Wi-Fi quickly using several reliable alternatives. While the app is heavily promoted, Xfinity provides multiple non-app activation options that work just as well if you know where to look. You can activate your internet service without the app in four main ways. The easiest is website activation. Log into your Xfinity account from a browser and go to the Manage Devices section, where guided steps walk you through activation. If that fails, use live chat support on the Xfinity website for real-time help from a representative. You can also activate by phone by calling and just have your account details and modem MAC address ready, which is printed on a label on your modem. As a last option, you can visit a local Xfinity store where staff can activate your modem and troubleshoot issues in person. For setup, place your gateway near a coaxial outlet, connect the coaxial cable and power cord, and turn it on. Wait up to 20 minutes for the connection light to stabilize. Then use the Wi-Fi name and password printed on the gateway sticker to connect your device. If you're not automatically redirected, go to xfinity.com/activate in your browser to finish activation. Position the gateway centrally, away from obstructions, and elevated for the best Wi-Fi performance.